Welcome at Krannich. I am Justin Gann, and today I have a new portfolio update for you, the new PowerShaper XL from Pixii. The new PowerShaper XL is a modular and scalable energy storage system designed for commercial use. With a power output of up to 60 kW and 200 kWh LFP batteries, it's perfect for optimizing energy consumption, peak shaving, and demand charge reduction, which can help lower operational expenses in real time. A key feature of the PowerShaper XL is its ability to create new revenue streams. By participating in grid services like frequency regulation and voltage control, the system helps to stabilize the grid. These functions not only maximize the value of its applications, but also generate savings and income, leading to a faster return on investment. With its fast response time, the PowerShaper XL is ideal for applications such as EV charging support and frequency regulation. Thanks to its wide range of functions and galvanically isolated AC to DC converter, it ensures maximum safety and efficiency. The battery system voltage of 48 volt also makes servicing and maintaining the system easier. The system is designed for easy installation, coming with pre-installed batteries, and it can operate autonomously or be integrated into larger energy management systems. Remote control and monitoring are done via the Pixii gateway, providing access to real-time performance data and system control. Communication is supported through MQTT, Modbus TCP, 4G and Wi-Fi. The system operates reliably in ambient temperatures between -20 and +45 degrees Celsius, with active cooling provided by fans. Optionally, an air conditioner unit can be added for even better thermal control. Thanks to its IP55 protection glass, the system is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Pixii PowerShaper XL weighs 2000 kg and measures 1149 mm in wide, 1160 mm in deep, and 2324 mm in high. If you would like to learn more about the PowerShaper XL from Pixii, feel free to visit our Krannich webshop or contact your Krannich representative. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.